Welcome to the HEAL Initiative. HEAL stands for Humanity, Education, Action, Legislation. Humanity matters, so let's work together to create a future where people are not judged by the color of their skin or the language they speak. We are taking the necessary steps to get legislation on new curriculum passed. Humanity begins at home, but must be reinforced in our schools and our communities. HEAL is fighting for human rights, respect, cultural awareness, and safety for all Americans, regardless of background or community. The HEAL Initiative's goal is to become federally mandated legislation that's based on an inclusive curriculum for K-12 schools. The next pillar of the HEAL Initiative is education.
The world is so big and full of beauty.
HEAL is a grassroots initiative.
There are thousands of different cultures.
Millions of Americans marched to end racism and spoke very loudly on issues of police brutality and social reform.
We share humanity.
Their protests clearly demonstrate the need for a cultural reset. HEAL intends to equip children to lead America and the free world.
We'll be discussing their different pathways and how they came to form America.
Currently, the HEAL Project is raising funds to hire expert curriculum developers and educators to build such a curriculum for us to implement. With our resources, we hope to guide our community to action with impactful rallies and town halls to build, mend, and promote positive dialogue with local government. The HEAL Initiative is seeking to grow in numbers and outreach. Eventually, we hope to pull enough support to pass legislation. We want to implement legislation that creates new requirements for education that will uplift America's children and set an example for future generations. If you don't teach a child to love, someone else will teach them to hate.
Wow, amazing.
Kid, that's amazing.
Good people make progress. Great people make a difference. For more information on volunteer and donation opportunities, go to www.humanityedu.com. Come join us. Humanity matters.